Hey, what's up, traders? So we're running a contest every single month. We pick one winner who comments, likes, and to subscribe to my channel and comments on every video this month. We randomly pick a drawing, and hopefully it's you. Just be sure you like, comment, and are subscribed to this channel, and you'll get free access to our full training academy and everything it is have to offer. Good luck, peace, and enjoy the next video. Hey, what's up, traders? It's June 3rd, 2020, and this is our metals, silver, and gold update video. And finally we're seeing some big movement in gold for sure to the downside, but silver not quite catching up. So let's take a look at gold first, and so you can see what I'm talking about. But just by how big of a bullish move we've been having in gold, I say that, we had this move to the downside, but really it hasn't been much, to be honest. So I can take this Fibonacci off here. And so this was the exact plan I had laid out here on our weekly outlook video, or maybe known as Monday. Monday is looking at gold, and it followed suit. Man, I wish I had stuck with this trade on my personal account, but it's okay. So but look at it now. So it's followed suit beautifully. We broke out of this ascending wedge here, which you can really see it on the daily chart. We broke out of the ascending wedge. We've retested and confirmed the retest, right? So I mean, that's like textbook. Retest down or retest up, and then push to the downside. So just to kind of mess around to see if we're on the right track, or I think this is a good thing to do also, because the trend lines you have set up might not be the ones that end up playing out. So but from this scenario, if this were to be a scenario, it looks like we're on the outside of it. Also from down here, it looks like we're from the outside. And then if you were to go a steeper wedge pattern, which would look something like that, then, we definitely retested and are working on the outside of that now. So, so where are we headed is the big question. And so 1700, big psychological level of support, big, beautiful round number. So we have to get below the 1700 level and close below it. But if we do, or once we do, that's going to open up the door to 1650. And I think this is a nice round 1650. It's a nice round number for gold. It's not too far, because I don't see really any reason why we would have some like significant massive turnaround back down to 1600, unless we got a massive turnaround on in the equity market, which we can't rule that out, that's for sure. So but I think 1650 is a generous downside target. It would be start of this kind of wedge pattern too, which actually technically the start of it would be at 1600. So those are two targets, either 1650 or 1600. But bottom line is we are on the outside of this this wedge pattern. So looking at it from the daily chart, finding some sort of or at 4 hour, finding some maybe nice little bounce to sell into, or in other words, a rally to sell into, which refer back to buying dips and selling rallies in the training in the academy, and you'll know exactly what I'm talking about. Especially this scenario, the way it's set up now is really just textbook for that. Especially if we're gonna have 1650 as our downside target. But so here's silver, and personally I like the silver setup more, and you got this move to the upside here, and a nice little rejection. So it's kind of a make or break area for silver. If you look at it from a weekly chart. So here's two ways of looking at it. And if you look at it from here, that means we've already retested. I'm going to just take this arrow off here. You can see that we've already retested and are making a move to the downside. So this is a super significant level of support here, which is the 1750 level. So if the 1750 holds, then that's going to be super bullish. But if gold pushes down to 1650, I wouldn't be surprised to, or let me put it this way, I'd keep an eye out for a move back down to 1630, around there, which would be the former 61.8 level. So, but nonetheless, if this level holds though, and we just start and we continue to move higher, which I do think we're going to go, then watch out for silver. So the big thing we're watching out for though is this test of this 19 level. And so remember this 19 level here is critical. It's going to be critical for silver, and what happens with metals forward, because you can see this level of resistance here, and what we're looking for, we're looking to break out of that. And so this is going to be like the trade of the year, if we, and potentially going on into next year. I mean, who knows how things pan out. I really hope they start to chill out soon, but nonetheless, it's a bullish case for metals, no matter which way you go about it. So what we're going to be looking for is a breakout above here, which is the 19 level. So 19, remember that. But aside from that, in the meantime, let's see if the 1750 level and is gonna hold. So it's gonna be a make or break point. You might want to. We had a great trade. If you haven't taken all your profits there, maybe go ahead and take some off the table and sit back and watch and see how it plays out. I do think it's going to be better to buy the dip at gold at say 1650 or 1600 and really letting it bottom out than like selling now and then buying at the bottom too, playing both sides, in other words. It's really hard to do, and easier said than done for sure. So be careful if that is your game plan. So we're retesting the breakout point now in silver, and so on the short term, you could buying the dip right here might not be a bad play, but just go easy on it and wait for the big move to show its hand, and hopefully we can catch another big rally like we did from 15. We've been in since like $14 or $14. So let's keep it going. So thanks for watching this video, and if you saw something you liked, please give us a thumbs up and click the links below to get started, and I will see you in the VIP chat room. Let's have a great finish to the week, everybody. Peace.